Alright, this is how to install Android Studio on Windows 11 fast and easy. First, look up Android Studio in your preferred search engine and head to its homepage, or go directly to developer.android.com/studio. On this page, just click the download button to get the Studio installer. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. If you agree, tick the I agree box and click download again. Wait for it to finish downloading. Then find the downloaded file and launch it. Here in the welcome screen, click Next. Then you have two components to select for installation: Android Studio, which is the core development environment, and Android Virtual Device, which lets you create a phone emulator to test your apps. Make a choice. If you're just starting, I recommend keeping both checked and clicking Next. Here you can specify the installation location, or leave it as is and click Next. Here you can choose the Start menu folder, or leave it as is, and click Install to start the installation process. Once that's done, click Next, and here, leave the box checked to start Android Studio. Click Finish. Alright, Android Studio is booting up. We're not done yet. There are still a few configurations and installations to make. Before it starts, it's asking whether you want to send usage statistics to Google. I like the feeling of privacy, so I usually choose Don't Send, but you can pick whichever you prefer. So, this is the welcome screen. Click Next. Here it offers you to choose the installation type. Standard comes with the recommended settings and tools pre-selected, so it's quicker and easier to get started. Custom gives you more control over each setting and tool that gets installed. I'll show you the custom path because it helps you see what's being installed and adjust it to your needs. Here in this step, you can review and choose which components to install. The Android SDK is essential. It contains the tools and APIs needed to develop Android apps. The Emulator Hypervisor driver helps speed up the performance of Android emulators, and the Android Virtual Device lets you run and test your apps without needing a physical phone. All three are important if you plan to build and test apps smoothly, so I suggest keeping everything checked. Below, you can also see the Android SDK location. This is where all SDK files will be saved on your system by default, but you can change it if you prefer another location. Once done, click Next. On this step, you can review your choices. If you are happy with them, then click Next. Here, you need to accept the license agreements for each component that will be installed. Go through the list on the left, read if you like, then select Accept to proceed. Once all are accepted, the Finish button will become clickable. Go ahead and click it. Now it will start downloading and installing all the selected components. This includes the SDK, emulator, virtual device, and other tools you checked earlier. Depending on your internet speed, this part may take a bit. Once that's done, click Finish. There it is. Welcome to Android Studio. Here you can go through these sections. Projects, which is where you manage and open your Android projects. Customize, which lets you adjust themes, fonts, and key map settings. Plugins, which is where you can install extra tools and features for Android Studio. Learn, which offers quick access to tutorials, guides, and documentation for beginners and advanced users. Once you are done with that, start a new project and have fun. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.